personal Brahman, engulfs demigods, demons and devils, dead and alive, that cause excitation of nerves, glands and the human parts. Sirasasana is defined as Vedic headstand posture, practiced by sages, warriors and kings. For mastering the body, mind and the soul, to gain vision, valor, victory, triumph and peace, in consonance with either the divine or the Asuric standards towards moksha. Sirasasana is defined as a headstand posture, supported by arms, wrists and fingers, that energizes nerves, muscles and the glands, from toe to the forehead, towards disease-preventive postulation. Sirasasana is defined as the divine headstand samadhi, that devours false egotism, false desire, false pride, and false enmity towards the center of the earth. Sirasasana is defined as the meditating headstand posture that engulfs the cosmic life energy, unifying yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Sirasasana is also defined as the unified headstand posture that draws a parallel between oxygen exchange and heart function towards a value-added longevity of peace. Sirasasana is the energizing nerves, muscles and the blood flow, from toe to forehead, through heel, foot, knee and hips, through the spinal nerves. Sirasasana is a curse on obesity, asthma, spondylosis, a hate on epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson, dementia and multiple sclerosis. Sirasasana is the cure for disorders of ligaments, bones, muscles, glands, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, and the macro working parts of the body. Sirasasana permits flex in the bone joints, allows a smooth flow of blood in the heart, intestine and neck, skull and thorax, in tiny arteries, veins and the nerve cells. Sirasasana is a complementary prevention of asthma, sinusitis, allergy, cancer, mellitus, respiratory diseases, pneumonia, chronic gland failure, hypertension, emotion, fear and anger, far away from the maddening medicals, surgicals, equipments and hospitalization. Sirasasana is the living proof of active life. Sirasasana is the living proof of disease prevent, cell regenerate hypothesis. Sirasasana is cost-effective body food management, pain management and disease management. Sirasasana is the value for the human body and the brain. Is a pleasant surprise for the heart, lungs, glands, muscles, nerves and the blood flow.